Event, trigger, follower, retention, listener host. Here it is. Super chat, super chat, super chat. A ver. Okay, so we have a super chat here. If it's not any of this, then it's gonna be discarded. Descartamos. Now, if it's a super chat now, it's gonna be contained on this. And now we need to figure out what to do with a super chat. Event. Oh, but I'm not catching. I'm not catching the events. Okay, we have a problem. I have a problem, better said. So the events are mixed up. Are mixed right now. There is no separation between YouTube or. There is no separation between YouTube or Twitch events, and that's kind of a problem because I don't have any way to separate the events. Alright, so how do we do this? How do we do this? Events, super chat. There is nothing that tells me that this is a YouTube thing, except of course that it's a super chat. The service is actually undefined, which is not helpful at all. So I guess it's gonna be an event, and then I need to check, because if it's a super chat, I need to verify here, I guess. Yeah, if it's set for animation count, and then we go to the parse queue. Okay, so there's the message, and so I guess I'm gonna have to save the message somewhere. We have the cycle for the animations. This is where we set all the animations. If the data blah 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 to lowercase trigger event equals to listener. Alright, yeah, because now I need to match these commands with, of course, a new type of field. Other users, block users, pet bubble. Oh shit. Yeah, here we go. Alt animation. We're gonna add a new one. We're gonna add on top of the grid animation. On top of grid, we're gonna add a new one. Now we're gonna add super chat. Well, super chat. Yeah, super chat. Should I? Well, maybe just chat. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it chat animation, because this chat animation is gonna be, you're gonna be able to set it whether it's gonna be complicated, because I need to think on both Twitch and on YouTube. So if it's a super chat, it's gonna use this. If it's a regular chat and you want, and the pet is going to use this animation as well. Oh, that's gonna be complicated. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it as a super chat, or as a talk animation. Oh no, that's just silly. Yeah, that is just silly. So I'm just going to, no, I don't need to do this. I definitely don't need to do this. This is gonna be on the individual animation level, just like what we do right now. So there is no need to change anything here. So instead, this is what we need to add. So I'm gonna add a new event here, and this is gonna be called, oh shit, I messed up. So this event is called Super Chat Latest. And the text for this is going to be Super Chat YouTube. I'm gonna put here, yeah, because I believe that the subscriber is the same for YouTube and for YouTube and for Twitch. So YouTube, Twitch, YouTube. Followers only for Twitch. Redemption, this is for redemption. Wait, redemption? I have the redemption already. Okay, yeah, this is for you or Twitch. Well, this is actually stream elements. Yeah, I believe that if you have a store, it's always going to be triggered, so I don't know if it's both. Raid, this is of course Twitch. Host, this is Twitch. Cheers, this is for Twitch. Tips, this is for Twitch. Okay. Ooh, this is a good song. Alright, so now that we have this, we need to add, well, we need to make the test first of all, because I have no idea if this is going to work. So I need to replace this on every other animation at the same time. Well, not at the same time, just with every other animation. This is gonna be annoying. We gotta do this 20 times. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna copy this. Okay. And I'm going to paste this here. Now it's time to do some replace magic. I'm sorry for the folks that are not that like dark mode. I don't have dark mode on this thing. I don't even know if there is dark mode for this. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go all the way to the top. Let me just set this to JavaScript, because it is JavaScript. And then let's go find. Alright. Wait, this is not JavaScript actually. This is JSON. JSON. Perfect. All right, so this is the one that we're going to replace. So we're gonna do Control H. Ah, shit. Yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to do it manually. All right, that's fine. I'm gonna have to do this manually. Okay, let's go. Well, actually, it's just adding one more line. So I think I can do this. Yeah, because this is unique. So let's go find the other one. This one. Let me just select all of it. Control H. And then we're gonna replace it with this. Ah, shit. All right, let's see what happens. Replace that. Wait, what? Go back. Well, that makes sense. Damn it. Okay, so let's see the one we had before. Hey, it did work. It did work. Well, this is the first one. There should be a second one. I think we broke it. Oh yeah, we did break it, I'm sure. Yeah. So for some reason it didn't copy that thing. So let's do it again. And we get here, we copy that thing. And then we go to the animation to trigger. Then we just paste this. Nice. Next. Animation 3. Control H. And we come here and we paste this. Oh, I see what's going on. Yeah, it's just not, it doesn't work with the entire thing. All right, that's fine. So just finding it is going to be enough. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna replace it. Then next, and replace it. I don't even know if it's gonna work actually. So maybe I shouldn't be changing the entire code right now. I mean, we have 5 of them already, so that's gonna be more than enough to do the test. All right, is it still working? Didn't break? Perfect, still working. All right, so now we're gonna have animation 1, 2. Let's see, animation, and we're gonna have nice. We're gonna have super chat. So I'm gonna make animation number 3, which right now is follower. I'm gonna convert it into a super chat, and let's see what happens. Okay, emulate super chat. That did not go according to plan. What happened? Super chat latest. Oh, I'm a dork. It's just super chat. That's the only thing that we're gonna catch. Okay. Alright, so let's open the editor, let's come back here. Actually, let's come here and let's just replace this with this. Okay, let me just copy that. Let me go here, let me just replace the entire thing. It's gonna reload. And now that it's reloading, now we go and check again. Well, I mean, the listener is that the event type is super chat, but it didn't seem to do anything. So let's see what happened. Fields JS fields. Oh wait, I don't know if it was selected actually. So let's see again. So animation 3. Okay, it didn't have anything selected. Understood. Super chat. Select super chat. I mean, the listener is super chat and the event is super chat. So why didn't it work? Let's see that tag. Let's see that code. Wait, first of all, is the widget working? Should. Say that the hello, and then it should do the should. Okay, it's working. Now, instead of that, I want it to be triggered by the super chat. Let's check the code, fields, animation number 3. And it has super chat in this, which I believe is the right one. So what I need to know is what the animation 3 trigger event is. Animation 3 trigger event. At listener. Well, I need to know if it's entering here first of all, because maybe it's just not entering at all here. Oh wait, I'm a dummy. This is the one that I need to also update. This needs to be super chat. Super chat. Super chat. Super chat. There we go. There we go. Super chat working. All right. All right. And right now I am all right. So now that that is done, now we need to also add that when it's a super chat, we need the message from the super chat to also be included, because there's gonna be a name. Wait, what is this? The name. So there's type. There's name. Event name. All right, we need to capture those details and make the pet say those things. All right, let's see. We already have the super chat working. Well, first of all, we need to we need to verify if it's actually working. So let's go to animation number. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna send this back to follower, and then we're gonna switch the animation 4 to be. Wait, this is a subscriber. So what about animation 2? Okay, this is for nothing. This is just for when someone talks. This is for follower, and this is for none. Okay, so the sit is gonna be triggered by super chat now. Let's see. Yes. Yes. All right, what about a super chat with a different number? Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay, so tips already work. Super chat already work. All right. Member doesn't work because I don't have a member event yet. So okay, but there is gift. Sponsor latest sponsor. So let's add sponsor as well. Because why not? Why not? Let's see. Hey, who's there? Hey, Robert Leb. Hello there. So let's see. Yeah, super chat is already there. Let's add also gift. How do we call this? There's gonna be sponsor, which is actually gift member, I believe. Community gift. Let me verify because I don't really remember what's that. Okay, so let's see. So this, let's see, super chat. So if I just do a member event, a regular member event, this is a sponsor. Okay, member. So I'm guessing that members are the equivalent of paid memberships on YouTube. So let's capture that event as well, so the pet can also react to those things. And Robert, how are you doing? You can hear me, right? Because I've been talking a lot during the stream, and it would be a shame if it was not getting there. I'm gonna have to listen to my own stream just to verify. Let me see. I'm gonna have to listen to my own. All right, yeah. All right, so where were we? Oh yeah, we were at this. Yeah. All right. How are you doing, Robert? So we said that we are going to add sponsor event. So the sponsor event is, it just means a member. New, well, I'm not sure if it's a new member or, yeah, member. Membership? I don't know. It's just called member, so I'm just gonna leave it as member. YouTube, and then we're gonna have the other one. Oh wait, I don't know what the other one is. The other one should be community membership. Well, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Save. Let's see what the community gift does. Well, first of all, gift Gift is Gift is also sponsor. Oh, but it has a gifted flag. Okay, interesting. So member is just, well, yeah, I don't really stream all that much on YouTube, except when I'm doing tests or when I'm just doing something out of my normal streams. Usually my Twitch streams are gaming related or things like that. And on YouTube, I usually do coding streams for my widgets, especially because I need to test my widgets on YouTube now that I'm adding integrations for it. All right, so okay, so that's gonna be interesting. I need to make some notes because I don't know about this. So a member, the event is gonna be sponsor. A gifted member, the event is going to be, oh shoot, where was it? Member, gifted member is also going to be sponsored, but it's going to have the gifted through. Do we have a name? Okay, we have the name of who. Oh wait, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so we have a sender. That is the important part. I guess the sender is the person that is gifting, and the sponsor is the new member that has been added. The name, sorry. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see, member. Member should have the same in the name. Oh wait, this is a sponsor. It has a name, and it does not have a gifted flag, and it does not have a sender flag. Now, if we do a gift, it's gonna have a gifted flag for true. So it's also sponsor. Gifted equals true. And then if we do a community gift, but what is this? 1, 3, what is this? 3. Amount 3. Oh, because they can do membership for 1 month or membership for 3 months, maybe? I don't know how this works. Oh wait, I guess they can select how many months they're gonna be subscribed. I don't know how this works exactly. I don't know exactly what this means. Anyways, so for now, I guess just member is gonna be fine, and I can refine it later. But and also community gift. Community gift is also sponsor, and has gifted as false, but it has bulk gifted as true. Now the problem here is that I don't. Oh, I see. And then it has a list. Well, I guess this list should contain. Wait, it doesn't make any sense. I will guess that this list will be the list of users that were added as members. Oh. Count 6. Gifted by Rosetta. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this is a bit different. Okay, so let's do just some random thingy, and then let's do a community gift. So what we get? Oh, we get event, sponsor latest, sponsor. Then we get how many, and then we should get those 7. Oh, okay, we get another event with the sponsor count, which indicates how many, and I guess at some point we see the names. Here we go. So we get the sponsor recent, and then we get Masha. Yeah, we get a bunch of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I don't know how to get who got the membership there. I don't know how the community membership works. But I guess for now it's enough to be able to identify this. We can identify this. I can identify how many count. I'm guessing that count is the number of people that were gifted. And then we get bulk gifted through. All right, and now that we have that, now this is for community gift. This is also sponsor. Oh, this is getting more complicated the more I look into it. All right, so let's see. So we got these three, and we need to add these three. We need to add where? Well, I'm gonna add the sponsor, and then I need to add a couple of flags inside the sponsor to be able to distinguish between the three different types of memberships: either regular membership, or a gifted membership, or a bulk gift, or a community gift membership. So let's see. I'm gonna have to add. I guess I'm gonna have to add like a special configuration for the text, the color, the size, and all that. Maybe to allow the streamer to make like a different text with different styles, so they can select different levels of visibility depending on the event. Like a member, that's cool, but if someone just gifts like 2 or 3 memberships, maybe they want to make it in a different color, different background. Okay, let's try that. So this is going to be sponsor, and I believe that I already added the sponsor. Yeah, sponsor is already there. Okay, I have to make different options for that. That's gonna be the easiest way. So it's gonna be sponsor gift. Oh no, I'm gonna get in trouble here. I'm gonna have a problem here. Sponsor gift. So this is gonna be member gift, and then one more. This extra one is going to be community gift, sponsor community. Sponsor community gift. Okay, so now we got all that, and now we need to add it everywhere. There we go. Then number 3. Well, we can do Control F, I guess. Replace this. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I am updating the drop-down menu, the list, so you can select new events like the super chat, or the new member event, or new member gifted, or community community gifts. All right, so now we move to, what is it? There we go. And I need to do this 14 times. Let's copy, just to make it a little bit faster. And let's see. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna search the next one. This, Control F. There we go. So we replace, next, replace, next, replace, next. Now you may be wondering why I'm not doing just directly replace from like the actual replace function. That's because it doesn't seem to be working because of the line breaks. I don't know why. So for now, this seems to be the fastest way. Okay. Now that we do this like 20 times. There we go. Done. Let's see if it's still working. If it's not broken, perfect. Now, sponsor. We need to add it to the allowed type of events here. And this is going to be sponsor. Now let's see if that works. So right now, as it is right now, all the different types of sponsor. Oh shit, it's broken now. Now it's broken. So let's see what I broke. Wait a second. That's interesting. So what? It is broken. I just don't know why. I think it's broken on this. And this is the last thing I changed, so that's what I'm guessing. This does not seem to be a problem. So something is broken over here then. Everything looks good. Let me just verify something. This looks good. Oh, fucking hell. Alright, so now we're gonna have to do like an actual replace. Because yep, I messed it up just a little bit. Let's just do this. I'm going to replace it with the same thing, but without that comma at the end. Place all. Now we go and copy. And this should return the functionality. This should return the functionality. Nope. Damn it. Okay, what did it do? Why is it broken? Okay, type solve this. Okay, good. Why is it broken? Yeah, and I don't think it's the JavaScript. The JavaScript would not do invalid custom field JSON. Okay, so there's obviously something not quite right there. Let's see. What did we break? Good. Looks good. So one of them must be broken. Let's find it. It's good as well. Wait a second. This doesn't look like the other ones. Maybe. There we go. Okay, this is good. Ah, damn it. I really don't know what I broke, but let's see. Okay, so if I just take all out. Oh well, of course, there are no fields, right? So let's just copy this. Let's go back to this. So first of all, the open and close should be correct. Okay, that's good. Then the manage permissions. Okay, let's give it a look just to see if I broke something and I am just not realizing. This goes here, that's good. Then this goes here, that's good. I wonder if this is breaking it. Okay, let's try that. Let's just fix that. Let's see if that solves the issue. Because that's the only thing I can think of, because the format looks good. Sorry. Alright, so now let's just replace this with this. And let's keep doing this for a while. I feel like I skipped number 6. Let's see. It's done. Nine. And oh boy, here we go, level 14. 6 more to go. Oh shoot, give me a second, guys. Yep, I gotta go. Yeah, I gotta go get gotta go get the clothes from the washing machine. Okay, let's see. That's it. Let's see if that was the problem. Oh, that was the problem. I didn't know you couldn't use dashes in that thing. All right. Okay, so now I just need to be right back. Pero empezó a enfermarse mucho, dice.
The rest happened pretty quickly.
El resto pasó muy rápido. Uf. Don Finch, 10 de octubre de 2010.
She got better for a while,
Se mejoró por un tiempo, dice.
and then she didn't. And then I was...
Y lo hicieron. Ah, se está poniendo muy feo el ambiente. Fue eso. What? Ay, no, 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 no. No, 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 no voltees. ¡Ay, hijo de su puta madre! A ver, déjame, me limpio los mojitos porque ya me espanté.
Boosters engaged. Get ready. They're coming back.
No! Oh shit! Nope. She's gonna chase me. She's gonna chase me. There we go, baby. Uh-oh. Nope, no zombies here. Ow. It might be a passcode, yeah. Oh shit. What? Nope, 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 nope. No, just run, just run, just run. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Keep running, keep running. No. Keep running. We wake up, we are an actual new ourselves, right? No, no, no. Oh shit. Oh, what? Oh shit. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, the control in this thing is really infuriating. I don't understand why they have to either allow you to do to make it like this so you can go to here, or then you have to flip it like this and then you have to go here. And the problem is that when you switch between one and the other, the stone is moving already. So it is not like you move it and then you keep working. No, you move it and it just moves the stone along with it. So that's why I'm so frustrated with this. Fine. A lot of fights. You know? Streamer life. A lot of fights on me. Wait. Am I shrinking? What? Oh shit. ¡Ay, güey, tu puta madre! Fuck! Oh, man, my heart! And everything, so you could see everything. So this is how I achieve having a transparent chair. So look at this. I'm gonna show you some secrets, some streaming secrets here. Y lo hicieron. Gotcha. Vámonos al gancho. A ti de perdida, mendigo pelón, que batalla tanto contigo. A ti tú te vas a ir. ¿Hola? Momento. Momento, ese... Eso es del Silent Hill, ¿qué no? That is from Silent Hill, the room. ¡Ay, hijo de su puta madre! Alright, I'm back. So, what we were doing is adding the new... Where is it? Where are we? Here? Yeah. So we were adding the new... the YouTube events that were not working in the first place. And right now, if we go and select, let's say, animation 5, well, animation 6. Wait, there is a ah, shit! Don't tell me I messed that up. Let's see. Oh, now, come on, buddy. So this. I'm gonna replace it with this. Go. Now we can copy and we can set it correctly. It's gonna reload, and in theory, perfect. All right, so now that's done. Now the only problem is that we still don't have a way to discern between the different membership events. So I need to code that so we will have a way to know when it's a regular membership, when it's a gifted membership, and when there is a bulk gifted membership. Okay, here we go. Let's see the code, because I don't remember what I coded last time. Well, we need to do two things. One of them is to be able to read. We need to be able to read the message that comes. Yeah, we need to be able to read the message from the super chat. Now this language JavaScript. All right. So now I need to figure out where we add that. There we go. So here we have a bunch of events. Oh wow, the code looks ugly in this thing. I mean, it looks ugly always, right? But let's see, settings. Preferences, I guess. Dark mode, I guess. Yeah, sure, why not? All right, there we go. So at least now you're no longer dying with the white color. And so we have oh boy. Have all the different events, and now if it comes here it's gonna check, but before that check we need to do a couple of testing. Now at this point I and in command I, this is because this is checking if the value for global field data, okay, so it just checking, it checks on every single element of the array to see if we can find the trigger event equals to the listener. But the listener has to change a little bit inside. So here we need to do a couple of things. We need to say if, well, it might be better to just do a case. Case listener. Or is there a switch? Switch case? I don't even remember. If listener equals sponsor. We also need to read here we're gonna have to read the event. Let's see what that event is. So we do a emulation for the member. First, just a regular membership. Well, regular membership is just that. And if it's a listener and it doesn't fit the other two, it stays as sponsor. If it is, if the wait, what was it? Member. Let's do a gifted membership. Now the gifted member, that's a bunch of things. A bunch of things actually. And the sponsor is gonna have the name. So that's obj detail event. That's a bunch of things. Let me just take this. We're gonna put it into a pretty JSON format. Now the pretty JSON looks like this. Invalid, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Like this. There we go. What? Multiple something something something. Wait a second. It didn't delete the previous one, I believe. Yeah, I need to refresh. Wait, what? I think I didn't copy the value. Yeah, I think it didn't copy the value the previous time. Yeah, because this shouldn't be there. Okay, so now it's going to be... Oh wait, but this is event. Oh, we have a problem here. So the listener is being catched as a sponsor. But the test we need a listener that is a sponsor, right? So let's do Control F. Listener equals. Oh, okay, so there are some listeners that are sponsored. Let me just find them. Listener event test. Listener event test. Listener event test. Damn it, where are you? Where are you? Interesting. Oh wow, where the hell did it go? Okay, now let's check again. Test object. Command found in the list. Okay, let's go before that. Listener event test. I don't want that. I want the listener. Event test. I don't get it. Where is the... Okay, so this listener sponsor is being caught. But I don't know what's inside it. Now, why am I not printing that? Let's see. Oh wait, let's see the code. So this listener sponsor is being triggered. Now the question is, over here we do a console.log of the listener, and then a console.log of the service. And oh, I see why, because I am only printing the listener here when it's a message. I am not printing it. Yeah, that makes more sense. So it's not printing the content of the thing. Oh no, but it should be here, console.log. So I think it's just printing it before. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here so it's better structured. So now it should be the listener, the service, and the content of the OBJ. Now what does that mean? It means that we're going to be able to see what's inside what YouTube is telling Stream Elements, and that's going to help me evaluate on the widget so I can verify what kind of event it is. Okay, let's see. Done. Reload. And it's broken. Wait, what happened here? What happened here? Why did it break? What did I change? I just switch some logs. Okay. I'm not sure what happened that it caused this to break, so let's do it again. Huh, interesting. So... Oh yeah, unexpected token. What? Console.log service. Huh? Wait. What exactly did I change? And why did it break? Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, it makes sense that it's broken. Because I left something halfway there. Yeah, it makes sense that it's broken. Sorry about that. Sorry about the confusion. Yeah, I did leave something halfway here. That's why this is not quite working. There we go. And now if we trigger the member, just regular member, there we go. So now we see a bunch of things, but the most important one is the first one, I believe, which is the listener. Okay, listener test. Okay, this is the one that I care about, the listener sponsor. So the listener sponsor is giving us this, and this is what we're gonna evaluate. Oh, very good song. We're gonna put this inside this thing, and we go up here. All right, so now that we have this, now we can do event. Well, yeah, it's a. Wait, this is not the right one. What? The listener is a sponsor, and then inside the obj.detail. Huh, interesting. Wait, I don't get this. That's weird. Where are we getting the listener then? Let's see. The listener is being obtained. Listener is being obtained from obj detail listener. Oh, I think I made a mistake here. Very interesting. This coding, I made this coding in a way that by kind of mistake, I am actually catching the right event. What? That's pretty funny. So, sponsor latest is the actual event. Sponsor latest. Mr. Nobody. Hello there. Hello there. How are you doing, Mr. Nobody? Wait a second. There are 2 people now. There are 3. There are 4 people now. What is happening here? Ah, Andreas, I see you. Welcome, everyone. I'm sorry to say that this is not a real stream, but I do appreciate all of you being here, and I believe that it's Andreas, the one who brought you all here. If that's the case, welcome to the stream. I am Rene Chiquete, and we are doing a little coding session to add the YouTube events for super chat and for memberships events, so the PP widget can be triggered with that. Because I know that there are some people in the YouTube community that are interested in having that, like Andreas. I am not new to the concept of a raid. It's just that I was not prepared for this to be. I was really not prepared to have a raid on this random stream. Also, I do not see any notification for the raid. So I am assuming that the raid is much more of a community involved event rather than having an actual notification popping up somewhere, right? Or is there a raid event? I mean, is there an actual raid thing like in like on Twitch? Hispanic. Well, yeah, you can say that. I am from Mexico. Oh no, that's sad that's really sad to hear, Andreas. Oh, it is in YouTube, but it's sub-log. Huh. Really interesting. But well, anyway, thank you very much for being here. How are you all doing? What were you doing, by the way? Who was the main instigator for the raid? Was it Andreas? And if so, what were you streaming, man? What were you doing during your stream? Let's see. Let's see. Member events. Well, super chat. Okay, so that's the animation that I have configured for now. Oh shoot. No, make it larger. Alright, so what about the membership? Okay, membership works. Now what I'm working on, I need to do a couple of things. First, I need to catch the super event text and the person that is doing the super chat event and the amount. Once I get those three, then I can implement them as variables, so you can come here and add them as a text. For example, you can, if you know that you're gonna have this, well, this is for follower, the one that I have right now for this subscriber, this is for super chat. So I want you to be able to do something like username, thank you for your contribution of, and then something like amount, and then message, something like that. So the message will be replaced by the actual message of the super chat, and then amount will be the actual amount that the person donated, and username will be the name. So that will allow you to play around and put it wherever you want and in any order that you want. Something like variables. Now, you're playing Mario Kart, man. It's been ages since I played in a Nintendo. I stopped playing in console in general, I think, since I had a Nintendo 64. And my brother got a GameCube, but I actually never touched it. And after that, I started moving around, and I didn't live in a single place for a long time. And then I moved to Saudi Arabia, and then I moved to Malaysia, then I moved to Australia, then I moved back to Malaysia, and then I was supposed to move to India, but I got into lockdown for a couple of years, and now I just moved to Netherlands. So I don't even own a TV anymore. I don't even buy a TV anymore because I just move so often that I try to not get stuff. The only thing I get is my entire computer rig, and after that, I don't buy anything else. You got disappointed that no Mario Kart 8 DLC? Oh yeah, wait, so we just had like an entire week of announcements, right? And I honestly didn't see the Nintendo one, but I did see the Capcom one. I saw the indie, or what was it, Day of the Dev, and I also saw the Summerfest, which was, yeah, Summerfest was the one from Jeff Keighley, right? Yeah, I saw you were live on YouTube. Yeah, it's a rare occurrence. I normally only come live in YouTube when I'm trying to do integration tests, when I'm trying to code some new functionality for the widgets, because I myself don't really stream all that much on Twitch. I mean on YouTube. I normally will stream on Twitch. And today I wasn't even thinking on streaming at all or coding at all. It's just that somebody reported a problem, and I was already sitting here with the code open and everything, and I remember Andreas was asking about this, and I said, okay, let's do this. It's now or never, otherwise I'm not gonna have time later. And I made it work faster than what I thought. And now I started getting ideas like, if we're gonna have a super chat, a proper super chat, it might be a good idea to also be able to configure the little bubble, you know, the bubble with the colors and the font and the size and all that, so the super chat can be distinguished from the other chat, and so the pet can say something for super chat or read at least what the super chat says, and it can look different, so like an actual super chat. Now Mr. Nobody, hey, same here, but I live in America as in USA, I believe. You're going back to Mexico in October. Cool. I'm going back to Mexico after a while as well, in a couple of months. After Twitch, after the TwitchCon here in Amsterdam, I'll go and see my family. I haven't seen them like in 4 years. So your mascot name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. You've been getting gifted memberships, and it will be cool to have Jeff Slime, my personal pet, react to it. Well, we already have the membership in general working. Hey, look at that. So we already have the membership working, but the problem is that there are 3 different types of memberships, and I need to code the difference. So right now we already have the general membership. And we're gonna have a problem, by the way, here, I think, because, well, I mean, it's fine. We're gonna get we're gonna get the details of the for the event. Then the type is sponsor, and the name. I need to get the name, amount. What is the difference between amount and count? Then inside we have some items. Month. This is a test, yes. So I guess that right now I only need the name and the amount for this. Wait, but this is making it. Oh wait, this is a I was still thinking in the super chat. That's why the data didn't quite sink in. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I need to focus on the super chat thing, which is the easiest one to code. So what I'm going to do, on the right side you can see a bunch of code, and that bunch of code, what it does is it's giving me all the information that YouTube is giving to Stream Elements, and I am using that information to evaluate things and then pass them around to... Wait, what? Hey, Draco, thank you very much for the subscription. So as you saw, there was some code here coming in, like saying there is a new subscriber, and that new subscriber is Draco. And yeah, you could see that the character was there, like dancing and all that. So well, yeah, that's the intended effect. Oh shit, what am I doing? Oh no. Good. Okay, so now that we have that working, let me just get the message. I'm gonna emulate, sorry, super chat. Now that super chat is going to be a random. And we already have an event here. Super chat, event, type super chat, name. I need the name, amount. What is the chat? Oh, it's message. Okay, so let me just get the entire thing. Make it make more sense for me. Hey, that's cool. Thank you, Andres. I think that's I mean, as long as you can do it. Normally I will drop a new video along with the new version, and if that is not enough and you think that you can add something to it, or if you want to add like things that I actually missed, yeah, you feel free. I don't have any problem about people making their own videos about the tools that I do. I mean, in the end, they are community tools. The idea is that everyone can pick on them, and if they like it, they can use it. And if they want to improve them, you can improve them by yourself. Or if you just want to talk about them, that's the best I can dream of. All right, so type super chat. By the way, as I said before, this is never gonna cost any money. I accept donations, but this is meant to be free forever. I will always keep doing the new versions absolutely free. Okay, So we want the name and the amount. And then we have a month. Okay, we're gonna have the message. Name, amount, and message. Name, amount, and message. So let's get the code in here. And let's start checking that out. Let's see, we have super chat. If it is a super chat, let's see. If listener equals super chat, we're gonna do a little thingy here. We're gonna add a few variables here. No coding, just to share how I have the message. Yeah, I mean, configuration and how you use it and how you like to customize it. Yeah, that's also perfect because the coding, the idea, every time I am adding new things, what I'm thinking is that people don't have to touch any code, that you can use it as it is. So if you want to make a video about the usability of it, of the widget, yeah, that's more than perfect. All right, and there's a super chat, and now we're gonna get wait, super chat. That's it. And then what we're gonna need is, wait, what happened here? Did I lose the values? So name, amount. And we're gonna get the message. Oh wait. Okay, so these are the three things that I need, and I'm gonna put them into a variable. Now that variable has to be, it has to come from the listener. So this is going to be, what's inside the listener at this point? The listener is obj.detail.listener. Oh, so this doesn't have everything. So it's gonna have to be obj.detail.event. Obj, wait, this doesn't have detail. This only has obj event. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, this event is a little bit smaller now that I think about it. This is a oh wait, this is a message. No wonder. Super chat. Listener event test. No, this is not the one I want. What is the one I want? Okay, here it is. Event test. Event test. Event test. Where is the one that I'm looking for? Emulating super chat. There's something weird going on here. Where is my event? All right. So this is inside the obj detail. Obj detail event. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to use the obj detail event. Oh wait, no, it's not going to be event. It's going to be obj detail. Oh yeah, event. Yeah, that's going to be it. Obj detail event. event. The name, well, wait a second. First we'll copy this, we'll put it inside this thing. Is it on the same level? Event. Yeah, and then from event, we're gonna get name, amount, and message. Okay, looks good. Now, I'm gonna need, so this is gonna be superchat name. This is gonna be superchat amount, superchat message. And I'm gonna have to declare this stream. Superchat name is gonna be a string. Then we're gonna have the same, but for the superchat amount, this is gonna be a number, I guess. Yeah, it's a number. It's gonna be 0, and then we're gonna do chat message, which once again is gonna be text. And I think we're done. I think we have the coding done for this. Now all we need to do is to print the values and verify if they are being caught correctly. So from here, we come here. The variable is there. Cool. Now that we have the variables, then I need to ensure that they are being passed down the text for the pet. Oh wait, actually I can actually do this here. I can just take, so the user is here. So user is something that I am already using. I'm already taking from somewhere. Wait, okay, so I declare it here. Oh, the message is there as well. So message is already there. Yeah, I don't need to declare it once again. Text processing. Wait a second. When do I send the message to for the pet? So I go to the parse queue, and then from the parse queue, where's the parse queue? Parse queue checks if something is playing. If not, then it goes and checks the data trigger, data command, data trigger, and data user. Ah, okay. And then from this, yeah, queue shift, okay. And from this, we go to pet action. And pet action is gonna be up here. Pet action is telling us what the pet is going to do, what the action for the pet is going to be. And it checks if it's the first message or if it's going to be an event. So if it's going to be an event, it checks if there is a command or if that command is aligned with what's in the pet data. I have no idea how I coded this. It's been so long. Then we send the command to the data and the user, and then we check run pet animation. Run pet animation is gonna check for a bunch of things. Yeah, but this time we already have the animation data in here. Now the animation data is actually the pet data for that specific command. Now pet data is up here. We have the image, so this is only what animation we're gonna trigger, and we're gonna be passing down a couple other things. So before that happens, we want, well, let's leave this for a second. We need to do for, what was it this for? This was for memberships, YouTube memberships. All right, so now we gotta oh shoot, it's already 10 p.m. Damn it. Okay, this is something I don't understand. I am checking inside pet data if the global field, let's see, what is global field at this point? Oh, I see, yeah, global field data is the values that we're getting from the, yeah, so these are the values that we're getting from the fields themselves. Okay, so that makes more sense. We're getting the global field data, and what we are saying is if the selection that we have from the field in the position whatever, oh, I see. Okay, so we're getting the trigger event basically, and we're checking if the listener is equal, so if there is one of the fields matches with the listener, which in this case the listener is going to be super chat. If there is a super chat, then we're gonna trigger that. Yeah, then we go here and we go and push this global field data animation command and global field data animation command on there, and that's what we send, and then we just send a user. Now the question is, how am I sending the message? Oh, I'm not sending a message. Now I remember. I just remember. So if now this is the interesting part, because if the trigger event is going to be what equals to the listener, what we need to know is if the event is a super chat. That's a absolute important part. If the listener is a super chat. This is still an event, but now it's not just an event. Now I need to add something else. Okay. I need to add specifically the type of event that is happening. All right, here we go. So I am already sending the user at this point, so that's good. What yeah, instead of just trigger, I'm also going to need, I mean, that's the trigger, the user. So that means that we don't really need this. Yeah, there's no need for the super chat name. It's already sorted. Now amount the yeah, I don't think we're gonna need to send any of this now that I think about it. Yep, no need. I just need to pass them down the function. All right, so here we need to prepare, that's the name. I mean, we already had those things here, so, and now we're also going to pass the amount. Wait, but how am I passing down the cheers already? I don't think I am capturing the tips now that I think about it. Okay, before I move anything else, let me just verify something. So let's just verify the push parse queue. Let's see the parse queue event. Then we have pet action. Then pet action is gonna run the animation. It's gonna check if it's a command or an event. If it's an event, then it does the run pet animation as well with the pet data and the user. Okay. And then it does run pet animation. Run pet animation is gonna do this, gets the image, size, position, and all that. The user is gonna be converted into inside the text bubble, I believe. Now text bubble, what is the text bubble? Okay, the text bubble is gonna take the text so where do I replace the username? Okay, in the text processing. All right, so text processing checks the message. Okay, from the message it replaces it with the user receive. So this is where we're gonna need to add, or we're gonna need to send a couple of more things. We're gonna need to send the amount. We're gonna need to send the message, user, and amount. Actually, that's all we need now. So text processing, and we're gonna say amount 0. For now, that's it. Now, who uses... I see. Inside the text bubble is filled with the text processing. Now, this itself is the rumpet animation. So this needs to also receive... This needs to receive a couple of things. It needs to receive... Oh shit, yeah, it started to get more complicated. Because the message is what's in the text. Okay, so we're gonna need user message or donor message. Donor message and well, event message, so we can reuse it for other things as well. Vamos a cambiarlo. So, and then of course the amount. Okay, the user event message is going to be empty. Amount is going to be 0. Now, whenever something calls the pet animation, we need to also send. Yeah, this is the pet action. Now, pet action is also going to need to receive. But it's gonna have to receive a couple of things. It's gonna have to receive. Yeah, it is starting to get much more complicated than what I thought. So maybe it's not such a bad idea to just have the. I don't want to have to redo the entire thing, but I'm gonna do it anyways. You push, trigger that, comma, custom message. Then, what was the last thing? I forgot. Oh yeah, amount. There we go. All right. And then here we need some is set. Just yep, let's just do some is set just in case. Just so it doesn't explode or something. Nope, that's not where it goes. Here. And this should not end here. And this should not end here either. There we go. Okay, is set this. So these are just functions to ensure that what I'm sending has a value. If not, it's just gonna send something else. So for example, if we want to go there, what this does is it's just a function that just checks if it has a valid value. All right. So now that that is done, where were we? Oh yeah. All right. So that's done. And now it's just a matter of actually sending. Well, we are sending the data now. And these are no longer needed. Oh yeah, we are not telling this thing. We have that trigger, but we don't have that event. Oh, of course. So that is not working really. Yeah, that is not working at all. So, but it is. Yeah, it is right. Well, I guess I can just. So I'm sending the listener already. So if the trigger event is the same as the listener, this is the important part. The listener is, well, superchat. But we are not sending the listener, we are sending the trigger. So inside the trigger, or besides the trigger, I also need to send all right, yeah, we also need to add one more thing, which is the event. I think that's it, yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it. Actually, I can just send this. I mean, it's the same thing anyways. We have event. Event type, just to avoid any kind of clash. All right, so now we have this monstrosity, and we need to go to the push. So I need to copy all of this and just check Q. There we have parse Q. Yeah, I actually don't think I need to verify anything anywhere. Yeah, we have Q. We are adding a value inside. This is not needed right now because this is for other things. So we have trigger and user. And for this we have command, trigger, and user. What? Oh, I see. Yeah, it doesn't matter the order. It doesn't matter in which order we're sending the things. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah, so the parse queue is the important part here. Yeah, so this is saying that action, data command, data trigger, and data user. Now, pet action is going to take us here, and it's gonna check if the trigger is the first message. Okay, if the trigger is a command or an event, then it comes in here, and here we need to add something else because the run pet animation is going to change depending on something here. If oh, so yeah, the pet action already needs to be receiving all the other two things, like yeah, like the event message and the amount. Oh wait, and there's something else. This is the event type. Now here, if it's a command or an event, well, actually, if it's okay, now we have a problem here, because if it's a command, it will trigger it in one way. If it's so, we're gonna do it like that. So when it's an event, I'm gonna separate it. Why? Because I'm preparing this for later. I'm gonna make a distinction between when it's triggered by command only, or when it's triggered by an event. There's gonna be a couple of different things that will be happening. Okay, and then we're gonna ask. And yes, I am programming backwards. Sue me. Right, we got this over there. Here we just need to know. All we need to know is the event type. If event type is superchat, then we're gonna run this slightly different, because instead of just sending the pet command, the user, we are also going to send these three things. All right. Now, Rumpet animation is already prepared to receive data, user, event type. I haven't added this yet. Event type, message, and amount. Cool. And then here we need to verify as well. Oh, I'm getting an idea. I'm having an idea now. Oh yeah, I'm having an idea now. But I'm not gonna be able to implement it until later. Alright, so we have this. So this is the text bubble, and the text processing needs to have now. Where is the text processing? Oh, there we go. The text processing. Oh, this is gonna need so many things. So it's gonna be user and then event message. All right. Now we need to do something here. We need to do a message that replace. This is gonna be message. It's gonna be replaced by event message, and then we're gonna have. Wait, that's not right. Then we're gonna have this, which is going to be amount. This is gonna be, well, amount. All right, that's it.
Remember, lies can't keep you alive, Doctor. But I can. Your concern is a great comfort to me. Good night, Captain.
And then this one for the amount. All right, I think I also implemented donation variables. Cool. As a matter of well, yeah, I mean, they work. Let's see.
Remember, lies can't keep you alive, Doctor.
I think we're good. Now, of course, we haven't tested anything at all. So let's see it all the way from the beginning. We start. We are going to check if this is an event. Yeah, and if it's an event, we're gonna check if it's one of them is a super chat, and if it's a super chat, we're gonna create these variables, which I don't know why we're creating them. I don't think we need to create them anymore. We're not using them for anything. Oh. Alright, so they're done. No need for them anymore. Then we're going to say... Then we're going to push the data into the queue, including the trigger, the user, the message from the event. Actually, instead of custom message, maybe I should do... Yeah, it's event message. So this is for pet action. Actually, this should be event message. And before that is, instead of custom message, should be event message. And then this in the parse queue, we should find it. Okay, here it is. This is the key. Data.command, data.trigger, data.user, data.event message, data. Where is pet action? User type message amount. User type message amount. User type yeah, Q shift. Okay, user type. What was this? Event type? Damn it. so easy to lose track. Event type data dot amount. I think that's it. Now pet action actually needs it in a specific okay, so we have command, trigger, user. Oh, I messed up. There should be type and then message. Like that. And this is gonna be in parse queue, of course. Yeah, this is where we need to send it correctly. Now we have a problem here, because if this doesn't exist, we're gonna have to send nothing. There we go. Right, pet action. Pet action, okay. Command, trigger, user, type, event, and amount. Type, message, amount. Type, message, amount. Right? Okay, message amount. Right, I think we got it all. Just event type. That's the only thing I didn't check. Oh boy. Okay, it's event type. Cool. So then we have parse queue, and then from parse queue we have pet action. Now pet action, this is gonna be interesting because I need to ensure that this is correct. Pet action. Okay, command, trigger, user, event type, message, and amount. Cool, we got it all covered, I think. And then from here we're gonna use the trigger to check if it's a command or if it's an event. If it's an event, then we're gonna check if it's a super chat. If it's not a super chat, we do what we normally do. Now, if it's a super chat, we're gonna run the pet animation, sending the user, type, message, and amount. Now we need to copy this as well. All good. Then we need to check this. From pet animation is receiving command, which is this. User, event type, event message, and the amount. All good. And then we're gonna use this for the text processing. So the text processing is gonna require the same things. It's gonna require user, event type, and amount. Now we need to ensure that text processing receives all that. Okay, so right now we have the reply from the field, then we have the user, then why is the user twice? Oh, that's not good. That's not good. We have to remove the user from there. Event type. I mean, I don't think we need the event type there actually. User and event type have to go. But we have the event message and the amount. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that as such, and then we need to go back. This. All right, cool. What about text processing? Is this the only one? What is this? Oh, this is the display default animation. So then when that happens, text bubble just comes and check. Yeah, it goes straight to not show anything, I think. Yep. All right. Oh yeah, because this one doesn't have. Yeah, this one does not have any text. All right, got it. I think we're ready to go. Let's see what happens. I did a bunch of coding without checking any of it. Fabulous. It's gonna break. Let's see. Well, yep, it did break. So let's see where we broke it. Let's see where it looks broken. Let's see. Let's see everything that we change. We change this. Trigger, data, event. This looks good. What about up there? Functions look good. We didn't touch this. No, we didn't touch this. Oh wait, we did touch this one. Message is going to be equal to message.replace this user. Then event message, good. Then amount, looks good. User, event message, amount. Now I'm trying to figure out. Oh wait, yeah, I should see the error somewhere here. Interesting. So I'm just not seeing anything. I don't know why. The fields are fine, but for some reason the JS is saying that something's wrong. So let's force it to reload by, I don't know, moving something. There we go. syntax, unexpected token, if. Okay, so it's in one of the if that we added, there's something broken, obviously. Let's see. And we didn't add too many if, so we know where to look. That action. Okay, here we go. If this, else if this, else if this, which looks exactly the same as this one. Oh, I see why. So this is broken. Okay, let's see if that was the only thing that we needed to update. If everything works just by switching that, it's gonna be a fantastic, incredible. All right. Let's see, just a regular message. She's gonna do something. Well, I do have an animation for. Huh. Oh, there we go. It just takes a little bit of time. Okay, so that's it. Now, we have a super chat here. So let's see. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for your contribution of amount. Let's see if that works. Emulate super chat. Okay, so something didn't work. The message didn't make it. Super chat once again. Okay, so what is broken? The amount is there. Let's see, do it again. Super chat. Lorraine. Okay, let's see Lorraine. Lorraine, the amount is there. And the message is there. So obviously it's something else that is getting missing. So let's start breaking down. Let's start breaking down the different messages as they are being passed to figure out when it's getting lost. So here, yeah, might be a good idea to just print these things. Event message. Event amount. So let's see if they are getting lost since the beginning. All right, let's do it. Let's see. Okay, the message is there. And okay, so that at first everything is fine. So then from here we send it to the queue. All good. Event message, amount, event type. And we know what, well, let's see what the listener is. Then let's go to the parse queue. Here, oh, I see why. Because is set. What am I doing with is set? It's returning if it is set or not. Yeah, I made a mistake there. So that was the mistake. So I'm using that function wrong. Yeah, I was using that incorrectly. So I'm sending them here like this. But what happened when it's null? Is null? What was the function I used for when something is not found? Well, I guess we will find out. When they don't exist, let's see what happens. Alright, so now I believe we broke something. Of course we broke something. Oh yeah, definitely. This is broken already. Yep, I can see it where. There we go. Freaking parentheses. Right, let's see. What? Okay, so something is broken now because it's making that message disappear very fast. See, animation 3, animation 4, animation 5. Oh wow. Yeah, there's something wrong there. Oh wow, this is not even being caught. Oh wait, yeah, because that's not the right event. So the message is still getting lost. Message and the amount. But the message and the amount are good. Alright? So let's keep digging. So this is correctly here. Then we go to the parse queue. Then we access the data.trigger, data.user. Oh, and I am still doing the same thing here. Yeah, of course. All right. Alright, here we go. What? You didn't see it? Okay, let's do it again. It is still 0. Why? Hi. Data dot event message, data dot amount. Okay, let's print these values here and verify if this is where they are getting lost. Or maybe in pet action I am doing once again the same thing. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. If it's set, yeah, this is wrong. Yeah, because it's trying to do the other animation without sending all those other values. That's what was happening, I think. So let's see. I think that was the problem. So you see, I have had to make like 4 corrections already, and I just keep finding new things. That's because I just did so many changes in one single cycle. There we go. Distribution of... I wonder if this is gonna break it. Let's see if that breaks it. Hey, it did work. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. Let's do it again. Hey, that worked. Nice. Message. Now what happens if I have... What happens if I do that? Okay. Okay. All right, it does work. Nice. So I already queue a few messages there. Nice. All right, superchats are working. I'll go to sleep now. Oh. All right. So I need to change the code up here because this is actually for 5.3 already. Oh wait, this is not 5.3, this is going to be 6 already. 6.0, 6 inches, work in progress. And we're gonna have to switch the character because new widget, new version of the widget means new character, of course. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you everyone for being here. Hope you have a fantastic time over there, and I'll see you in the next one.